Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. We're at the end of autumn, and we have the perfect, what do you call it?
Autumn drink.
Yeah, but it's a tour guest recommended.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody came in on the tour and recommended a drink, which we love when people do that with
Ashley.
one of our products.
Her name was Ashley.
Ashley. Let's
Yeah.
dedicate this one to her.
We will. So for this drink, we're going to call it the Ashley Autumn Fizz. Thank you so much, Ashley. Hope you enjoyed this video and we do your drink justice. We're going to try. Oh, by the way, this is Jeff, and
Hi.
I'm Robbie. We'll be making the drink for you today. So, Jeff, to start this drink off, we are going to need some apple cider.
Okay.
We're going to pour about a third of this glass with cider.
Okay, just a third of a mason jar.
Just a third of a mason jar, or any glass you're using. I think Ashley actually recommend doing this in a Collins glass with a lot of liquor, which
Okay.
is what we like. But
All
for
right,
this
Ashley.
drink, we're gonna make it more of a, not a chug-a-lug kind of drink, but a normal drink instead of a sipper. So
Okay.
you can make this drink in many ways. Our next ingredient will be our award-winning Spiced Carolina Rum. Best seller in the house. You're gonna have to come out here and try this, or buy it in your local liquor store. It is phenomenal. We're gonna do 2 ounces per drink.
All right. Yeah, I love this spiced rum. It's perfect for autumn, so it makes sense that we're doing it this drink with the spiced rum. All right.
Nice. All right, so we got 2 ounces of our Spiced Carolina Rum in there, and then if you don't mind, let's
What is this?
this is a AHA sparkling water. It is apple ginger sparkling water. So we found this in our local Harris Teeter, so it's a pretty common thing.
Okay.
And this just screams autumn, doesn't it? I
It
mean, this
definitely
is
does.
autumn
Yeah,
in
it
a
smells like apple cider and ginger. It's nice.
can. All right, well, just load us up to I'll tell you stop. Stop. Cool. All right, we're adding a little twist to this. Little citrus takes this a long way. So I'm gonna cut
Okay.
you up an orange. And then if you don't mind, just squeezing a quarter of an orange in each glass for me. Cinnamon down. And then we stir it. Oh,
Okay.
sorry, we gotta do the orange. And then
One
we stir it.
last one here.
Nice, dude.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna stir this guy up. All right,
You got that apple and the nice orange zest coming off that glass right now.
such an easy drink. Thank you again, Ashley.
Yeah, I like
for
the ease
doing
of it.
this. I'm gonna throw some cinnamon in these guys.
Whoa, careful now.
Kind of a garnish.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, that was a nice.
looking
That was a
good.
nice move. A little dangerous, but
A little dangerous, but I'm a risk taker. All right, guys. Well, this is Ashley's Autumn Fizz. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. The recipe will be in the description below, along with our website and links to our social media where you can find new things that we're doing in the distillery. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Muddy River Mixology Monday in this video. And cheers. Thank you so much for watching.
all right. Let's try this out.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers to Ashley.
That was a good one. So easy. So clean.
Yeah, you can sit around a campfire or something with that.
I feel like you could ditch the ice and actually heat this up. Maybe not with the soda, though.
Yeah, but use like hot apple cider.
Yep.
I bet you could. Yeah.
Damn.
Let me see you without the hat. Yeah, put the hat back on. Putting lipstick on a pig right now.
There goes my self-esteem. I gotta like psych myself up for the intro.
What if I stand like this? I'm probably out of frame.
Oh yeah, your head's barely in the frame, stay normal. So like, bend the knees. Bend the knees. We're gonna do it together. Do it together forever. You and me. Happy as can be.